SEP. The median projection for the unemployment rate is 4.
Hi everyone. So the moment we all, the traders, investors, the economists were waiting for is finally there. The Fed meeting is over now. As anticipated, the Federal Reserve finally made its big move, cutting the interest rates by 25 basis points. So now the question is, why is this so important and why is everyone from the Wall Street to Dalal Street watching it so closely? So in this video, we are going to break down this for you. What Jerome Powell said in his statement, why the Fed's decision is a turning point for the global markets, how the dot plot is signaling for the future rate cuts. Most importantly, what this could mean for the Indian markets when they open. Stay with me till the end of this video because this is not just about the one rate cut, it is about the direction of the whole economy. So let's start with the part one, that why this meeting matters so much. The Fed meeting feels like an exam result for the global markets. Like think back in year 2022 and 2023 when the Fed kept on increasing the interest rates aggressively to fight against the record inflation. Markets thoroughly bled, the liquidity almost dried up, but the US dollar got stronger and stronger. And in December 2024, the first rate cut was done after a long pause. But now in September 2025, there is yet another rate cut which we are witnessing today. Actually signaling that the Fed is finally now moving towards an easing cycle. Now let's understand what did Jerome Powell said in his statement in the press conference. In his press conference, he laid out the three crucial points. So the first one is that the US growth is slowing, hiring has cooled down. Number two, employment is ticking up and the US job market is not as strong as it was before. The second point that he highlighted is that the inflation is still above the Fed's 2% target. What Powell believes is that some of these pressures like tariffs and supply chain costs are temporary. Now the third one and the big one, the dot plot. Those who don't know, the dot plot is basically the Fed's roadmap. क्या होता है कि each member plots actually the rates where they think they'll go in the future. What the best part is that most of the members showed that 2 cuts are likely before this year ends. That's the strongest signal yet that the easing cycle has actually begun. अब ये तो हो गई ये बात कि likely है कि 2 rate cuts और आ सकते हैं. Now how the markets reacted to this ये देखते हैं. So the reaction was really swift. US equities rallied with the banking and tech stocks leading the way. Bond yields, they dropped because the borrowing costs are expected to fall further. And thirdly, the dollar weakened, which is usually good news for the emerging markets like India. And here is why it matters so much to us, because a softer dollar plus easier liquidity often means that the foreign investors might pump in more money into the Indian markets now. So this can support Nifty and Sensex in the near term, but of course markets rarely move in a straight line, and this optimism could turn into caution if the inflation flares up again. So ये हो गई near term की बात. Now what's next? What to expect, that where do we go from here? Now the Fed has set the stage for at least one more cut, hopefully in December, but it comes with certain conditions. Let's understand what are those. So inflation must continue easing. The labor market needs to show more signs of cooling. And the global environment, from the energy prices to the trade wars, has to remain stable. So if all these conditions line up, the 2025 can be expected to be a year when the things will start easing up. If the inflation comes back or the economy surprises on the upside, the Fed may slow down again, and this basically depends upon the data. So let's see what happens next. Now the big question is how the markets will react tomorrow morning. See, is this rate cut going to spark a bullish opening on the Indian markets tomorrow with the FIIs rushing in, pumping in more money, or will the bears return once the excitement of this so-called rate cut news fades? Don't forget to drop your comments below because I'd love to hear what you believe come next. So for more such relevant stock market and global market updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel now and press the bell icon.